With a fresh coat of paint, an old piece of furniture can easily be given a new life. In order to repaint your chair, you'll need Americana chalky paint, Americana Decor cream waxes, or Americana Decor varnishes. This is to seal your paint once dry. You'll need a rag or suitable cleaner and a small brush. Step 1. Clean your chair. Like with any painting project, having a clean and dry surface will give you the best painting results. Step 2. Paint your chair's first coat. With your paint well shaken or stirred, apply the first coat of Americana, ensuring you get those hard-to-reach places like between the rungs. Step 3. Apply the second coat. Paint again, making sure you get the coverage you want, and let dry. Step 4. Add wax or varnish. Use your wax brush or lint-free cloth to apply your wax or varnish, being careful to remove excess product. Buff to desired sheen as product dries. Cure for 7 days before heavy use. Clean up with soap and water. And you're done. It takes time for your chair's wax or varnish to dry, so place it out of the way. Clean your brushes and save them for next time. We hope you enjoyed this how-to. If so, like and share. And be sure to follow the Paint Shop on Facebook. See you next time.